The BS Classic Brace has been a proven successful therapy concept around the world for ingrown toenails for over 3 decades. The BS brace offers a whole range of benefits, including that it doesn't require any long preparation and the treatment can begin right away. Its versatility is further underscored by the fact that it is particularly suitable for diabetics. Its optical inconspicuousness is yet another advantage. The extremely flat BS brace is hardly noticeable, does not impede its wearer's ability to participate in sports, is waterproof, and can be covered by nail polish without any problems. The BS brace does not burden the nail bed and doesn't exert any pressure. Following its application, the patient experiences relief immediately. These many properties make it long-lasting and practical in everyday life. Prior to the treatment, it is important that the BS brace is not applied to diseased nails, suffering from illnesses such as fungal infections, psoriasis, onycholysis, and similar conditions. This must be clarified with the patient before the treatment begins. To achieve perfect adhesion of the BS brace to the nail, no disinfectants, oils, or creams may be applied to the nail, and no foot bath may be taken prior to applying the brace to the nail. Wet grinding equipment should also remain switched off. It is necessary to roughen up the nail bed with a diamond or corundum grinder to ensure a firm, secure application of the BS brace. Then, determine the exact width of the nail in order to select the ideal size from the 6 available BS brace sizes. The best position for doing this is 1 to 2 millimeters behind the point from where the pain emanates. Position a BS brace precisely at one side edge of the nail and use a steel applicator to press the brace onto the opposite nail edge. The brace should precisely span the nail without being too short or extending out over the sides. After determining the appropriate brace size, clean the entire nail surface with 1 drop of BS cleaner. Then dry the nail off with an unused cotton pad and apply the BS activator over the entire nail. The activator evaporates right away. In order to make pressing the ends of the BS brace onto the nail easier, grind down the ends of the brace on the roughened side to be thinner, using a diamond or corundum grinder. Place 1 drop of BS glue in the middle of the roughened side of the brace and press down on the middle of the nail for approximately 10 seconds. Then use the slip-proof part of the steel applicator to affix each of the ends of the brace, one after the other, for around 10 seconds each. After gluing the BS brace onto the nail, if your patient feels pain from the tension or an unpleasant pain, then the tension is too excessive. In such cases, you need to gently grind the applied BS brace down thinner at the ends. Or if this proves insufficient, then gently grind down the entire BS brace to be thinner. The advantage for you is that correcting the tension of the BS brace is conducted on the nail. Once the BS brace has been applied, the entire nail is once again thoroughly cleaned with BS cleaner. The final step is then the quick application of a thin layer of the glue over the entire surface of the nail to act as a seal. This sealing takes around 5 minutes to dry. After that, a custom nail care such as foot baths, tamponing, ointment dressings, and applying nail polish or lotions can be conducted. Prior to each follow-up application, as well as before the final treatment, it is recommended to use straight blade nail pliers to loosen and remove the BS brace. To do this, place the pliers at one end of the brace, between the brace and the nail. This way, it is easy to break the adhesive bond and carefully remove the BS brace from the nail.